What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to switch from a personal to a business TikTok account on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Start by launching the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once in, tap on the profile icon situated at the lower right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, locate and tap on the three horizontal bars or the hamburger icon at the upper right corner to access a pop-up drop-down menu. In the menu, select Settings and Privacy to proceed to the Settings section. Within Settings, look for and tap on the Account option. Here, you'll find an option labeled Switch to Business Account. Go ahead and tap on that. If you're switching to a business account for the first time, TikTok will prompt you with a few setup steps. You may be asked to provide some information about your business. Although these fields might be optional, it's advisable to complete them to maximize the benefits of your business account. Choose a category that best represents your business. This helps TikTok better understand your business nature and provide relevant features. TikTok Business Account allows you to link other platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Make sure to link any other platforms you use for your business for an integrated experience. Once your business account is set up, take some time to explore the business features available to you. Look into TikTok ads, analytics, and other promotional tools that can help grow your business on the platform. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.